When I put my leg on you later to go more forward, I'm gonna need you to do this with your pelvis. And oh look, we just got through some of that tightness on the ground in that rein back, okay? So now I'm gonna go to the other side. Good boy, good boy. And again, this time I have my whip in my hand that's closest to his mouth. Good boy. And now I'll turn him in a circle backwards around to the left. So first round, good boy. And then I feel a little feel, I feel a little feel on both reins. Good boy. Not pulling down. Good. Yeah, backwards. Good boy. And you can see it's a little harder. Good boy. Good boy. Oopsie. No. Good. Shh. 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 Super. Good job. Good boy. And he's not upset. You know, he just, and now he licks and chews and he's like, okay. He's getting acquainted with the part of his body that is kind of the key to all of my success. And I don't need to do it by being aggressive, and I don't need to do it as an obedience piece, right? I need to do it as a, let me show you in a patient, like step-by-step way, like let me show you what I need to have happen with your body. What part of your body? Your pelvis, right? Because this is our best way to have a conversation of explanation.